Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best sprinkler manifold is probably one of the most important components of any efficient irrigation system, ensuring your garden or landscape receives the perfect amount of water where and when it needs it most. Today, we will review the 6-valve manifold, exploring its features, benefits, and how to choose the right one for your needs, helping you make an informed decision to optimize your watering strategy and keep your plants thriving. Number 5. Rainbird 100 DVF Manifold Valve Kit. This kit is perfect for efficient irrigation. It features a durable manifold valve and includes everything you need for a seamless installation. It has 6 ports, providing control over 6 zones in your irrigation system. This allows for precise watering of different areas. It uses the reliable Rainbird 100 DVF valve, known for its quality and performance. You can trust it for years of dependable service. The kit comes with threaded nipples, simplifying the connection of slip adapters to the manifold. This saves you time and effort during setup. It includes waterproof silicone-filled wire nuts, ensuring reliable connections and protection from the elements. There's one extra nut for added convenience. Need more zones? Combine multiple kits to expand your irrigation system easily and efficiently. It's a scalable solution for your watering needs. What we like. It boasts high-quality Rainbird valves known for their reliability and includes flow control for even water distribution. If you prioritize brand reputation and precise watering, this is an excellent choice for a balanced system. This manifold is perfect for those who want a reliable and efficient irrigation system. What people say. The design makes it extremely easy to replace a valve in the future if necessary. Putting the manifold together was very easy. The pre-built structure made it very easy to install with a lot less cutting and gluing of pipes. Number 4. Dura 1 Rainbird 6-valve manifold. This innovative manifold simplifies your irrigation system setup. It's designed for efficiency and ease of use. It's built to last with high-quality materials, ensuring reliable performance for years to come. You can depend on it for consistent irrigation. The manifold comes complete with 6 Rainbird 100 DV valves, saving you time and effort. Everything you need is right in the box. Its simple design makes installation a breeze. You'll have your irrigation system up and running quickly. The 1-inch diameter ensures efficient water distribution throughout your irrigation system. It's the perfect solution for larger areas. This manifold provides a complete and reliable solution for all your irrigation needs. Enjoy a perfectly watered lawn or garden. What we like. This one stands out with its robust 1 manifold and includes reliable Rainbird valves. It's designed for straightforward installation, saving you time and effort. If you need a durable, easy-to-install system, this is the one for you. This is great for DIY enthusiasts or those on a tighter schedule. What people say. All you need to do is measure and cut your PVC carefully, use the cement properly, and it goes together quite easily. Much easier than trying to install a group of independent valves. Easy connections, and with the pre-installed O-rings, trust me, there's no need to wrap Teflon tape around the threads before you tighten them. The solenoids are nice and sturdy and the wires are good quality, they're stranded as most pre-wired items are. This is wonderful, it installed quickly and looks great. I had an opportunity to test it out a few weeks later when one of the values was damaged. It took me 5 minutes to replace the value instead of the typical hour or more with a few trips to our local plumbing store for pipe and fittings. Number 3. Hunter PGV 101mm Manifold Valve Kit. This is the Hunter PGV 101mm 6-zone Dura Manifold Valve Kit. It's designed for efficient and reliable irrigation control. It features a 6-port manifold, giving you precise control over 6 separate irrigation zones. This allows for customized watering schedules. The kit includes threaded nipples for easy connection to slip adapters. Setup is quick and straightforward. It comes with waterproof silicone-filled wire nuts to protect your connections from the elements. This ensures long-lasting performance. Multiple kits can be combined to create larger irrigation systems with even more zones. Expand your system as your needs grow. With its durable design and easy installation, it provides reliable and efficient irrigation for your landscaping needs. Enjoy a lush, healthy lawn. What we like. This manifold features durable Hunter PGV 101 valves and offers precise flow control for customized watering. The slip adapters ensure a secure and easy connection. If you prefer the Hunter brand and want precise control over your watering, this is a great option. It's ideal for users who want a reliable and customizable irrigation system. What people say. Manifold, valves and connectors are all great quality. I only hand-tightened the 13 supplied couplings, but have yet to see even a drip of a leak. The coverage from the same heads connected to this product over my 1/4-acre front lawn is much improved. Everything looks like it's made from good quality parts. Number 2. Rainbird 100DV Valve Manifold. This is the Rainbird 100DV valve manifold system, designed for heavy-duty use. It's perfect for managing your irrigation needs with ease and efficiency. It boasts robust construction, ensuring long-lasting performance and reliability. You can depend on it for years to come. It offers both 3/4-inch and 1-inch slip connections, providing flexibility for various irrigation setups. This makes installation simple and adaptable. This system manages up to 6 zones independently. You can precisely control watering schedules for different areas of your landscape. The Rainbird 100DV features a design without flow control. This simplifies the system and reduces potential points of failure. Installation is straightforward, saving you time and effort. It's designed for quick and easy setup. What we like. It's built with heavy-duty components for long-lasting performance and uses reliable Rainbird 100DV valves. If you need a simple, robust system without the need for flow control, this is a cost-effective solution. This is perfect for those who prioritize durability and simplicity in their irrigation system. What people say. Numerous components available to customize the installation. High quality and easy to work with. Valves can be replaced without the need to rotate, which requires clearance. The quality of this manifold is top-notch. This made replacing an old system a breeze. Saved me a lot of time and headache of making one from scratch. It also looks better too. Number 1. SPW Hunter PGV 101 GS Manifold. This is the SPW Hunter PGV 101 GS, a premium valve manifold system designed for heavy-duty applications. It's built to provide reliable performance and precise control. It features robust, precisely machined parts ensuring long-lasting durability and resistance to wear and tear. This makes it ideal for demanding environments. This system offers 6 independent zones of control, allowing for precise management of fluid flow. This level of control enhances efficiency and flexibility. It's available with either 3/4-inch or 1-inch slip connections, providing compatibility with a wide range of systems. This ensures easy integration into your existing setup. The integrated flow control mechanism allows for fine-tuning of fluid delivery. This ensures optimal performance and prevents damage from overpressure. The SPW Hunter PGV 101 GS provides superior control and durability. Experience the difference of a premium valve manifold system. What we like. This model is constructed from heavy-duty materials for superior durability and incorporates Hunter PGV 101 GS valves with flow control. If you value a long-lasting, high-performance system with precise water distribution, this is the top choice. This is ideal for larger properties or those with complex irrigation needs. What people say. It is a very high-quality product, and it was simple to install. Great product. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.